Hey beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I used Nescafé Turmeric, honey and coconut oil for face masks. Okay guys, so if you have a dull face, a dull skin, and then you want to enhance your look in a minute, try this face mask. Okay, so guys, first of all I'm going out to add my Nescafé into a clear bowl. I added 2 of the tiny Nescafé bag. Okay, you can use any Nescafé of your choice. You can use coffee. If you don't have this one, I have. Okay, then I went ahead to add 2 spoons of turmeric, and also went ahead to add honey. Okay, and afterwards I added coconut oil, and then ensure I mix that properly. Okay guys, so this is what my face is looking like, not looking so bright, so I want to put a little more shine to the face. Alright, so here I'm mixing the mask properly, and afterwards I'll go on to use my applicator, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, here it is. I'm going to use this to apply that on my face. Mind you, whenever you want to apply turmeric on your face, you don't have to use your hands, because if you use your hands, it's going to stain your fingernails unless you have to deal with washing it. If that's okay with you, then you can go ahead and do that. And also guys, always wear a dark shirt or a shirt that if it stains, it's not really going to show, or you have to trash it because it stains really bad. Okay, so here I'm putting on a dark shirt, and I also tried as much as possible to put the bowl underneath my face while I was trying to apply, so you don't make a mess on my body or on the floor. Alright, so I'll just go on to apply that all over my face. So some that don't really know about this might be thinking, why am I applying Nescafé on my face? Alright, I'm here to tell you a little bit of what it does to the skin. Okay, Nescafé helps to exfoliate the skin, and also it reduces puffiness. Alright, if you have a puffy face, it helps to reduce it. It also helps to enhance the brightness of your complexion. Okay, it brightens up your complexion, and also has potential protection against aging and sun damage. So it does all this to the skin due to its antioxidants and caffeine content. Alright, so moving on, turmeric on the other hand reduces acne and also scarring due to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Okay, so if you have acne scars on your face, you know, because it helps to lighten up your face, brighten up your face, it's going to reduce those dark spots. It's going to wave them off by brightening your complexion. Okay, so it's going to fit those dark spots, and also if you have hyperpigmentation on your face, is going to also help remove that. And then as well, it slows aging by fighting free radicals and improving skin texture. Honey on the other hand helps in hydrating your skin. Alright, it keeps your skin hydrated, and also it serves as a gentle exfoliating effect to remove dead skin cells and cause a natural glow to your skin. Alright, so it has antibacterial properties which helps to fight against acne and clogged pores. Coconut oil helps in hydrating and moisturizing the skin. Okay, so it keeps your skin hydrated, it keeps it soft. Alright, so if you have a dry skin, it's really going to help to make your skin not to lose moisture. Okay, a lot of us focus more on the ready-made skincare products we get from the store, forgetting that we also have some natural ingredients in our kitchen which can be so beneficial to our skin. So I'm here to remind you to incorporate those things into your skincare routine. So I'll distribute that evenly on my face and let it sit on my face for 1 hour, and I'll go on to wash that off. This is it for this video guys. Please kindly subscribe if you're not already, like, comment and share this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Be endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you. God loves you more.